guys, what's up? If you're one of the people who want to do vlogging on your smartphone right now, then you are at the very right place. This is Vllogging and I'm going to show you how to do vlogging with a really minimal budget. So stay tuned for the video. So the first thing you're gonna need is a camera, of course. But if you don't have any camera, then don't worry. You have a smartphone, right?
The good news is that the most of the smartphone right now shoot up to 1080p and some even go beyond 4K, which is really nice to have. Some smartphones have a built-in app for manual controls, but if you can't get a manual control app in your smartphone, you can download it and I will give a link below.
So the next thing you're gonna do is to have a well-written script. Now a well-written script is crucial for your vlogs because if your vlogs aren't any interesting, they're not going to get any kind of attention. And if they get enough attention, they're going to make you famous someday. So you have to make sure that you have a very well-written pre-script, and you have to decide a day before a vlog that where are you going to shoot your next vlog, and this all has to be pre-planned. So the third thing you're going to need is a good equipment. So here is the mini gorilla tripod. You can get it on Amazon for only $3, but this is not what you're going to need. You are going to actually need a bigger gorilla tripod, which is available on Amazon for only $11, and it can be mounted with a smartphone, with a mobile phone holder, and with that you can record yourself in this vertical or horizontal position. So the next thing you're going to need is the software to edit your vlogs. Now you can edit your vlogs on your laptop or your PC computer, but the most crucial part is that if you don't have a desktop computer or a laptop, you don't even need to worry, because smartphone processors are really capable of editing the videos in a good way, and the cinematic shots can be simulated in kind of apps on the smartphone right now. I'm going to show you the both ways to edit your video and your vlogs. So
if you want to do it from a PC, I guess I don't even need to tell you what to do because there are tons of options available for this, but I use Filmora Pro. On the other hand, on the smartphone, you can use the KineMaster Pro as it has most features in any smartphone app that can do editing, and it can even render up to 4K, which is a nice thing to have, and it can use green screen and have professional tools, and it can sync audio.
So these are my most favorite tips on the vlogging setup. So you are watching Team AA and this is Vllogging, and I'm signing out. So hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if you like the video. Be sure to dislike the video if you didn't like the video. This is Vllogging and I'm signing out. Peace out.